sound amplifiers. I know many of you cannot hear us. We are talking to the people from the city to see what can we do and how can we continue. But regardless, you might not hear speeches from us, but we can chant together. Saying what?
We say no! 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 We say no!
Okay, one more time. My name is Farina Siddiqui and I'm representing Coalition of Concerned Parents. We have several parents group here representing different communities. We're one community and that is one league, parents, just like you guys. We are here together. And grandparents, sorry. We are parents and grandparents. Give it up. And we are also joined by a wonderful teacher who is going to be our next speaker. She can provide us with her perspective as a teacher. Her name is Muqaddas. Please give Muqaddas a big round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muqaddas. I'm a proud mother of 3 children. And just like the rest of you, I refuse to let Kathleen corrupt the minds of my children. I did not bring them into this world to have their values stripped of them and their culture completely diminished. We will fight until she takes it back. For those of you that may not know, that the Toronto School Board tricked parents that were on the parent council by asking them a very general survey with questions such as, do you